Super Easy Drawings. Hello everyone! Welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we're going to draw and color a teacher. Let's start drawing. At first, I'm going to draw her face with her 2 ears. Then I draw her 2 nice eyes with her eyelashes. Then I draw her nose and her smiling mouth. I draw her earrings, then her long hair. I continue with her body. I draw her neck. She's wearing a necklace. Then I draw her shirt, which is short-sleeved. Then I draw her arms. In this hand, she's holding chalk. Now I draw her skirt and her legs. Then I finish her hair like this. Now let's draw a blackboard next to her with a sponge here. Now let's draw letters A, B, and C. Then numbers 1, 2, and 3. Awesome! Great job! Now I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color her skin cream. Then I use light red for her mouth. I use yellow for the jewelry. I color her hair with this brown marker. I use pink for her shirt. Then dark blue for her jean skirt. I finally color her stockings light purple. For the blackboard, I'm going to use this green marker. Then for the letters and numbers, I use rainbow colors. I color letter A red. Letter B is going to be orange. I color letter C yellow. For number 1, I use light green. Then I use blue for number 2. Finally, I color number 3 purple. And I color the sponge pink. Yippee! If you like this video, don't hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video!